thing is so fun in the surf. So much fun. Doesn't have a high top speed like the Ripper 2, but it gets up to it quickly. And it's so nimble. Different kind of nimble than the Ripper 2, I find. The Ripper 2 large for me, it's definitely behaves a bit more like the Scorch in the surf. Doing jet ferry, stuff like that, where it's longer, it gets locked into its path and it goes. This thing here is super easy to, you know, switch it around, pull it back the other way. Little stuff like, you know, small knee lifts, almost like a mini booth. You can notice it makes a big difference in this boat when you're on the wave. It's much more dynamic feeling. Very fun.